How to see other viewers on Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how we can see who has viewed our Facebook story. Whether you're curious about who's checking out your content or just want to see who's been active, in this video we've got you covered, so let's just get started with the video. Step number 1 is opening up the Facebook app. Go ahead and launch the Facebook app on your mobile device and log in into your account, and go ahead and create a story. Here I have already created my story, but if you haven't, just go ahead and tap on create story and just select a picture or video you want to post it on your story. After that is done, once your story is posted, you're just gonna go ahead and tap on your story. Just open up your story and you will see a view count at the bottom of the screen, like seen by different people. Right now I have no viewers, but if anyone has viewed your story, you will be able to see all of your viewers here. So that is how you basically will be able to see the username and the profile pictures of all the viewers who have viewed your story. You can just tap on any profile to learn more about them or even interact with them directly. And you can also repeat this process for other stories you posted to see who has viewed each of them. But even after doing that, if you're not able to see the viewers on your story, it could mean that your privacy settings are restricting who can view your story. So make sure your story is set to be visible to the people you want to track, and that's it. And now you know how you can see who has viewed a Facebook story. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more social media tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions, and see you in the next video.